creating with the House Collective, I had the chance to respond to 4 unique situations. Full of personality, each house in Beijing, Hong Kong, Shanghai and Chengdu presented me with new possibilities to explore Chinese culture and the 5 elements theory as it's lived today. In every city, I worked with incredible creatives, from contemporary dancers to create a moving universe, to a feng shui designer to personify the elements, from a fashion house to transform my art into wearable designs, to ink painting masters who added another dimension through their art. Encounters across cultures are just the start of many more journeys through the House Collective.